Have you ever struggled to find the right content for the task at hand? Unsure where it is located or if it is the most up-to-date content? Having to do this for every piece of content is frustrating, wastes time, and takes away focus from the task at hand. However, it doesn't have to be this way. That's where the Office at Work Content Chooser comes in, your central hub for accessing all your content for any task in any application within your organization. In Microsoft Word, the Content Chooser add-in for Office seamlessly connects users to their organizational content via single sign-on with their existing Microsoft 365 account. Once signed in, users can easily browse and insert a wide variety of content types, including written text, such as docx and txt files, images, such as JPG, PNG, SVG, and GIF files, and HTML. Inserting content is as simple as clicking on the desired content, which will automatically appear where the cursor was last placed. Users can also mark favorites for quick access, preview content before inserting, and use the powerful search feature to find specific content by name, metadata, or file content. For larger organizations, multiple libraries can be created, giving users access to content from various departments. These features extend to all other Content Chooser add-ins and apps. In PowerPoint, the Content Chooser enables users to insert curated on-brand organizational slides and slide decks into new or existing presentations, making it easy to build cohesive presentations from slides sourced across departments. It also supports the insertion of written text and images. In Excel, the Content Chooser allows the insertion of curated worksheets and worksheet collections, as well as written text and images. In Outlook, the Content Chooser add-in simplifies email creation. Users can insert recipients, the subject, the text body, and attachments with one click. This makes it easy to craft precise emails with the right attachments. The Content Chooser for the browser lets users view and download content on any device and any modern browser. Furthermore, users can open it as a sidebar and pin it, enabling them to insert content directly into the current web page, like forms, fillable PDFs, or prompts for Microsoft Copilot or ChatGPT. Optionally, they can use the Content Chooser browser extension. Additionally, in Microsoft Edge, you can create a standalone Windows app from the Content Chooser web app by selecting Install this site as an app from the menu. This places the app in your Windows app bar, providing easy access anytime. If you want your users to consistently use your latest branded content for any task, in any application, ensuring optimal brand consistency, the Content Chooser is the app you need.